Hello guys! For today's episode, we will make a delicious beefy egg noodles. Sounds really delicious and I'm so excited for this. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! We start by heating the frying pan. Once the pan is hot enough, we're going to put our ground beef. No need to add oil. Let it cook until the meat dries up. And we get that smoke scent and the mouth-watering grilled meat taste. Stir the meat to make sure it is evenly cooked. Next, we add the onions, and garlic. Mushroom. You will notice that I used both fresh and dried mushrooms. You can use any kind of mushroom available in your market. Anyway, this is optional. Oyster sauce, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. When the vinegar is cooked by on its own, you can mix everything. We're going to add our carrots and our cabbage. Add ground pepper. I don't want to overcook my veggies, so this time it's already done. We're going to set aside, and next is our egg noodles. Drop in the noodles. Drain the noodles when it's done. It's time to add our egg noodles directly to our pan. That's it. It's done. And that's it. Ta-da! Let's taste it. How was it? Sarap! Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. for watching. Till next time. Bye!